Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. Gosh, I'm so glad this finally arrived. It seemed like it had gotten lost and I was worried it was never going to show up, but this is the last of my IPSY Inbox to Charm subscriptions that I was waiting to receive for the month. So if you're interested in seeing my unboxings of all of the other ones, those are up here on my YouTube channel now. But so let's go ahead and get into this. I don't feel like I've been super impressed with the IPSY Glam Bag that much lately. It's $13 a month and you get to choose one of your products and then the rest are supposed to be customized based off of your preferences from the quiz and product feedback. And I just feel like I haven't been seeing great customization. So hopeful that the products in this will be well suited for me. Ooh, this is a cute bag though. I like that. It's got some little makeup detail designs. And then let's see if I've got no product information. Sometimes you get product information on the cards here, but I'll just use the IPSY app for my product information. So all 5 of my products are in the bag this month. Nothing was out extra in the mailer. So seems like they must all be very small. First, pulling out this Catherine Malandrino Dream Perfume. Okay, I actually love to get perfumes in my beauty subscriptions because I love to try out different perfumes and change it up. And I do like this packaging. This is obviously a sample size, but this is good travel size for perfume. Oh, it's very like powdery floral smell, but let's test it out for fun. Ooh, I love this. I also get like a fruity smell, which is exactly what I like in perfume. Something very sweet, very floral, fruity. Oh, I really like this. I would buy this in the full size. I'm excited to use this. Oh my gosh, it's very potent as well. So the Catherine Malandrino Dream Fragrance. Ooh, it's cruelty-free, vegan. This is a deluxe sample size. Wow, it says you can use the discount code CMD50 for 50% off. I would buy this in the full size and 50% off. That's a pretty good deal. So yay, I'm very happy with my first product. Next, I've got, this is a sample size, but it's such a cute, great sample size. This is from Wander Beauty, the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So I have already tried this out and I love it. I love the brand Wander Beauty, but they truly make some of my all-time favorite mascaras. Every mascara I've tried out from Wander Beauty I love, including this one, the Unlashed, and I actually already have a full dedicated review video on this up on my channel that I'll have linked in the description down below if you want to see more information on that. Next up, I have, this is cute. I may have gotten this in my points. I think I redeemed points maybe for this exact same palette because I redeemed my IPSY points this month for 2 of these little Farrah pressed pigment duos. And this is the Blossom and Breeze. Such cute packaging. And this is matte. Oh, I like this. Some like brown and then a rosy pink. I also feel like you could maybe use these as like blush and contour. Very cute. I love a little eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited about that too, even though I may already have this. I think I got it in different shades though with my points. But that's a deluxe sample size too. I wonder if I'll get any full-size products. Next up, so this is a black liquid eyeliner, which is the product that I want the least when it comes to makeup probably. And this is from Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. I feel like I have gotten so many of these. I have already reviewed this on my channel, so I will also have that review linked in the description down below. But I don't know why this seems to be like the most popular liquid eyeliner to get in beauty subscriptions. And it's good. I mean, I just don't want any more black liquid eyeliners, and that's definitely an example where IPSY is not listening to my product feedback and my quiz because I put that I never want eyeliners because it's just gotten so out of hand and I don't even know how else to let IPSY know that I don't want that. I have even emailed about it and I'm still getting black liquid eyeliners, which is pretty ridiculous. And then I have one other little product in here. So all sample size. And I'm supposed to get a retail value of at least $50 in IPSY. And I do not feel like I have even close to $50 worth of value. We'll finish up and I'll do a recap, but looking at these products in front of me right now, it seems so small, like maybe the $13 worth of value. But then the last product here is from the brand Dear Beach, which I don't think I am familiar with this brand, and I love getting to try out new makeup brands throughout these beauty subscriptions, so I'm excited about this. It's Glassy Lip Oil and Gloss, which I love to try out lip products. I have very chapped lips, and this sounds like it could be the perfect gloss, and this is the one product that I chose in my glam bag this month. So I am happy with the types of products. Like I didn't get skincare that I feel like I am way too overstocked up in. I like the types of products, so mostly makeup and then a fragrance, which I like to get fragrances. Although I'm just kind of bummed by how small they all are. But so I've got the Catherine Malandrino Dream Perfume, which I love, the Dear Beach Lip Oil and Gloss, the Farrah Pressed Pigment Duo, the ICO London Black Liquid Eyeliner, which is a product that I would have liked to get something else other than that, and then the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. It's also a little bit of a bummer because I have already tried out 2 of the products, so it's not really introducing me to new products through this subscription. So this is not the best glam bag I've gotten, but I'm not really mad at it. I am able to get use out of these products. If you have tried out any of these products, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them, and let me know what you got in your April 2022 IPSY Glam Bag. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.